Hello, I'm Kristof Konrad.
And this is Jean-Louis Rodrigue.
We are acting and movement coaches here in Hollywood.
We would like to invite you to Calabria, Italy, to journey into your talents and to deepen your work.
We'll be traveling to Calabria to teach an extraordinary workshop which helps us to embody the characters that you will bring in through body work, through Alexander technique, through your voice, and through deep, immense connection to the awareness.
Travel to a place where time can slow down, and from the sea to the mountains to the energy in ancient Calabria, you'll be able to deepen your work.
And to unleash that deep self within that helps us to create extraordinary characters on the screen or in the theater. We hope to see you there.